As technologies continue to evolve, the team over at Unigrid looked at the internet and said, how could we also improve this? And that's what I want to highlight in this video for you, as well as they do have their own token. So don't go anywhere. If you want to learn more, you can find links down in the description below. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into the news. So starting here on unigrid.org, they say, join the next internet revolution, a decentralized global network. Looking for a way to decentralize your cloud infrastructure? Look no further than Unigrid. Our innovative solution provides an answer to a truly decentralized internet. Join us in building a new era of cloud computing, free from geographical limitations and centralized control. And there's a list here of some strategic partners and investors that they have. You can also see on their website, how much can I make? And this gives you a little toggle. So by default, you look at this, you're looking at $37.20. But as I move the uplink up, this number does go up quite a bit. And then if we move the server load, we can also see some subtle changes there, even if you keep the uplink the same. And then we have the storage offering. So it's 10 terabytes right there, 1 terabyte. Some pretty dramatic changes going all the way up to what is that, petabyte? I'm not even sure what a PB is. Probably petabyte. So we just maxed everything out right here. That's almost $68,000. But, you know, operating a grid node on something like that, obviously, that's not what it started out. When I went here to the website, it was much lower with these settings. So anyways, moving on. The next internet revolution. Unigrid is the next natural step in the evolution of the internet, a load-balanced network that is completely anonymous and resistant to eavesdropping. The segmented design features sharding, data stripping, and parity blocks, creating a network that protects against service disruption and data loss. Anybody can contribute resources to the network by hosting a grid node, a service node, supplying bandwidth, compute cycles, and storage space. So obviously, if you're trying to contribute to a grid node and you're using the figures of what I just showed all the way on the max, you're going to need to be in a really good position, and we're talking about a lot putting behind something like that. But also take a look at Bitcoin mining, right? How much do people put in for the mining rigs with that? So moving over here, the Unigrid network offers a decentralized and anonymous cloud service free from centralized control and resistant to firewalls. Experience true freedom and break away from the costly traditional cloud providers and their data centers. Unigrid's mission is to build a truly decentralized internet where users have control over their data, free from centralized control. To achieve this, Unigrid provides grid nodes that offer decentralized storage, communication, and compute cycles. These specialized grid nodes are designed to provide the network with the resources it needs to function seamlessly. As the network grows and more grid nodes come online, the network's power and storage capacity increases, allowing organizations and individuals to rent these resources safely and securely. This allows users to store data and applications in a redundant, encrypted, and decentralized way. The solution to data storage on the network involves sharding data across multiple tiny blockchains rather than storing data in a vertical structure like traditional solutions. This approach provides redundancy, speed, security, and scalability. By providing decentralized storage, communication, and compute cycles, Unigrid is paving the way for a truly decentralized internet that is free from centralized control and gives users complete control over their data. So building the foundation, Unigrid plans to hold several funding rounds to finance the development of the network and expand its services to target the traditional cloud market and business segments. To promote the network and generate revenue, early backers and supporters will have the opportunity to host nodes and offer storage, compute cycles, and network bandwidth to participants. Additional sales rounds will be hosted with the help of partners and a private sales platform. Unigrid is presenting its business plan and technical white paper to accredited firms and investors, and is quickly preparing for the future with the recent growth of its team. Join us in building a decentralized internet with no boundaries or limitations. So to give you a deeper understanding of what Unigrid is all about, they've created some engaging and informative printed materials in PDF format. You guys can check these out. Things such as the orange paper, the terms and conditions, privacy policy, the Unigrid Foundation statute. You got a whole slew of things available for you here, right? Now, breaking down the tokenomics, getting into a little bit more of the meat, what a lot of you guys tend to tune in and watching these videos. The tokenomics behind this, you can see the breakdown on the left-hand side here. The highest breakdown percentage is 36%, which goes over there to the foundation. And then we have a small little sliver. It looks like that is that should be the team. The other one I think is the IDO. I'm having a little hard time with my color, being able to tell the color differences between those. The Unigrid tokenomics have undergone multiple refinements and were officially ratified by the Unigrid blockchain's governance through a voting process outlined in the Unigrid DAO constitution. These tokenomics are meticulously designed to achieve a fully diluted valuation substantial enough to attract sizable investments from prominent entities like Gem Digital, all while fostering an inclusive token model that encourages participation and safeguards the interests of both the network and its token holders. For additional information, including vesting schedules, please refer to the Unigrid DAO Constitution document. Oh, whoop. I'm zooming out on that as I'm trying to scroll down. That's actually pretty interesting. I can zoom in on this too, it looks like. Look at that, discovering things just as I play around with this. So it shows here Vancouver, nodes 24, Seattle, nodes 2. That's actually really cool. I like that. Okay, so to get Unigrid, discover their latest Unigrid network wallets and daemons for desktop and server versions below. We offer direct downloads for Windows, OS X, and Linux that provide complete desktop wallet versions. You can see these. There's a source code, Ubuntu, Fedora, Mac, Windows, and a little bit more of a description here. With Hedgehog, join the future of Unigrid with Hedgehog powering cloud services like storage management, VPN tunneling, and compute workloads. While the legacy network is still in use, we're excited to replace it completely with Hedgehog and New Cosmos consensus chain. A bridge links the new and legacy networks, making Hedgehog essential for the legacy daemons operation. Don't miss out. Experience the power of Unigrid with Hedgehog today. There's also more information on the grid nodes you can find. A lot of stuff here, guys. You can find it in the description down below. So safe and secure data storage. Store your data on the decentralized cloud. Unigrid revolutionizes the internet with a load-balanced, anonymous, and eavesdropping-resistant network that ensures complete uptime and data redundancy. Invest in Unigrid to shape the future of the internet. Say goodbye to downtime and security concerns. Join us for a more reliable, secure, and resilient online cloud ecosystem. And there we go. So you can attend the sale by clicking on this button right here. Takes you over to the NF pad. And yeah, so speaking of the NF pad, I also want to go over to their Twitter page, which they have almost 20,000 followers now. This post on October 22nd. Secure your Launchpad subscription before it closes on November 2nd. 23 CAT. Join our Telegram groups for the latest updates and get ready for the exclusive November 4th sale. Your only ticket to amazing deals. Don't miss out. So this is your introductory video into Unigrid. Would love to know what you guys think about this. Links are down in the description below. Be sure to share your thoughts with us in the comments down below. And that's what I got for you in this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit subscribe. If you are new, hit that thumbs up like button. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.